Welcome to Global Civil Service. Here, you'll find simple and clear videos about civil service exams. See the full video, and if you love it, don't forget to subscribe.
During U.S. federal civil service exams, recruit talented professionals for top federal agencies. The U.S. federal civil service exams help recruit talented professionals for top federal agencies like the FBI, CIA, and IRS. In the late 19th century, this merit-based system ensures fairness and attracts skilled individuals. Key platforms and exams of USA jobs. One is main website for federal job applications. Second is provides detailed job requirements, procedures, and deadlines. Key platforms: Foreign Service Officer exam. First one is for careers in U.S. diplomacy and international relations. Second one is test adaptability, diplomacy, and global problem-solving skills. Federal agency-specific exams details. First one is FBI, focus on problem-solving and situational judgment. Second one is IRS, tests accounting and analytical abilities. Next one is FSO exam details. Number one is computer-based multiple choice questions. Second one is essay writing to evaluate critical thinking. And third and last one is oral assessment to gauge diplomatic skills, understand the pattern of how to prepare for the exam. Number one is learn exam structure, weightage, and time limit. Study smart to prepare for the exam. First one is review past papers. Second one is focus on weaker areas, whether technical or essay-based tips before the exam. First one is practice with mock tests. Second one is stay updated on current events. Tips during the exam. First is read questions carefully. Second is prioritize easier questions to build confidence in. Answer smartly. Be specific and concise. Second is use real-world examples in essays. Practice example question. Question is, what are the primary challenges in maintaining international relations in a globalized world? So suggested answer is challenges, cultural differences, trade conflicts, solutions, diplomatic agreements, case examples. Last topic of entire video is final tips for success. First one is create a disciplined study plan. Second one is use official resources like USA jobs and agency guides. Third one is join prep groups for shared strategies. Fourth and last one is practice interviews to excel in oral assessments. Step by step, you shall conquer this journey. Focus and success will be yours. See you in the next video, which is related to quiz of USA exam-related questions.